good afternoon. Welcome back to Fab Live. And today we are now on our 7th episode. Yay! This afternoon's episode, I'm going to show you how to prepare and maintain our 3D printer. And our 3D printer is Ultimaker 3 Extended. Let's go!
The things we need to clean the 3D printer are a clean tissue paper, MagnaLube lubricant, UNILUBE lubricant, or any lubricant that's available, a 70% concentrated alcohol, and a vacuum cleaner. The first thing to do is to vacuum all the dirt on the printer. The next thing to do is to wipe all the dust on the printer. Spray some alcohol on the tissue and use it to wipe the dust on the 3D printer. After removing all the dirt, it's now time to clean the build plate. First is to remove the build plate by pulling the locks on the side and pulling out the plate from the base. Spray some alcohol on the tissue and use it to remove the dirt from the build plate. Carefully return the glass plate on the base and push back the locks. The next thing to do is to clean the PRINTCORE or its nozzle. By navigating the controller, first click System, click Maintenance, then click PRINTCORE Cleaning. Make sure to read the cleaning instructions from the website. Click Confirm. Click PRINTCORE 1. Then choose the cleaning material that you are going to use. You may use cleaning filament or the PLA. In our case, we will going to use a cleaning filament. Wait for the PRINTCORE to heat up so that we can start the procedure. Carefully remove the Bowden tube from the print head. After removing the Bowden tube, click Confirm. Following the instructions from the website, perform the hot pull. Repeat the process until you get a cleaner result. After performing the hot pull, following the instruction from the website, now perform the cold pull. After performing the cold pull, select if the pulled out filament clean, yes or no. If not yet, click no and repeat the procedure. If yes, then click yes. And then reinsert the Bowden tube in the print head and attach the clamp on it. Last but not the least step is to lubricate all the mechanical contact points. We will going to use UNILUBE for the mechanical parts near the print head, but you may use any generic lubricant that's available. We are using MagnaLube on the threaded rod for the build plate.